DP, definite and indefinite task cards answer sheet. So it says, open this doc to see the questions, then put your answers on the correct numbers below. So when you click that, it will automatically open and take you to this one. This has all of your questions on it. So for number 1, you're going to look at your noun, animales, and then you're going to look at your page, and I've already given it to you, but you are going to give the, maybe I should include that in here. You are going to give the definite and indefinite article for each noun. All right, so for that one, animales, if I use my chart, and I have it right here, animales ends in an S, but I know that it comes from the word animal. So ES is what you add whenever there's a consonant. So I know it comes from the word animal. So it ends with an L or easy peasy, LES. So right here, that tells me that it's masculine. So then I'm going to figure out, oh, this is a different one too, but this is the same one. So if it's masculine, then I need to figure out what my, well, it's masculine and it's plural because it ends in LES. So therefore, my definite and indefinite articles are going to be los and uno. So that's what you would do, is write los and uno. So that's what you're going to do for each and every single one of them. Figure out what the word is. And then, sorry, I have too many tabs open. Figure out what the word is, and then figure out what your definite and indefinite article is going to be. Now, when you get into some like number 6, where you have several words, it's always going to be referring to the first word. Libros, it ends in an OS, so that is the ending that you're going to look for. I keep losing my page. It ends in an OS, so therefore you know right here that your 2 articles are going to be los and unos. So easy peasy, go through. You have 30 total.